Here I am at Bushy Beach on the east coast of South Island, New Zealand, watching for the yellow-eyed penguins to come in. They'll come in on the surf, land on the beach. They seem to stand around for a bit, possibly drying off, maybe just enjoying the evening view, and then they go into the trees where they've got burrows. At about 40 seconds, you'll see a yellow-eyed penguin walk past a spotted shag. A spotted shag is another type of seabird that also eats fish, but just to clarify, the bird you see stood still with the penguin walking past is a spotted shag and not another penguin. I think I'm on like a viewing platform near the top of the cliffs with a few other people as well. It's a fairly well-known spot, and I think we saw 3 or 4 that evening, which seems to be pretty typical.